Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kevin Schiemens, and I work as a technical consultant at the P3 Automotive GmbH. I'll be your host for the first session, guiding you through this exciting conference with amazing speakers. I'm really looking forward to the four upcoming talks, and I'm sure we will learn a lot. First speaker will be Michael Sanders, and from the French company Avicenne Energy, located in Paris. Michael is a senior advisor at Avicenne Energy and the president of the Sanders Group Enterprises LLC. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, he is an expert in all things of energy. For the next 50 minutes, Michael will present us the challenges and opportunities for solid-state players in offering new perspectives. So, Michael, stage is yours.
Thank you very much for the introduction and for the opportunity to present today to TechBlick and to kick off with the challenges and opportunities for solid-state batteries and the various companies that are participating in this. We have a lot of information we'll go through today. Avicenne Energy is a global team. Basically, I lead the U.S. Christoph leads the overall global team. And we continue to add more and more people to our team. We now also have 29 part-time subject matter experts in various areas. Our business really has three different areas. One is the multi-client studies, which we've done for quite a few years. The rechargeable battery market the 30th version was just released in October of last year. We've also have an energy storage report that the 5th edition has just been released. And now we have two conferences, one in Dunkirk and one in Lyon. And then most of our work is done proprietary for individual clients. We'd love to have anybody who wants to attend either one of our conferences or present, get in touch with us. We have more than 400 customers throughout the world. As we look at the challenges and opportunities for solid-state battery players, there's many areas that continue to change, so developments need to target what's happening in the future state, not to compete with today's technology. So lithium-ion batteries are reaching mass commercialization and reduced costs. Alternative chemistries are emerging not only as a cost competitor, but we're starting to see some emerge as technical value propositions in given areas. And I know some of the other speakers will talk about some of those technical value propositions later in the conference. China is still dominant both on volume and cost, but the other thing that gives them an advantage on is they have extensive value chains that allow them to lead in new technology. Solid state is continuing to make slow, steady progress, but much of the volume's as you'll see today, will begin with semi-solid state. And today you're going to hear from many variants of solid state, which is a changing landscape. So it's no longer just lithium metal or silicon anodes. It's now also lithium sulfur and sodium ion. The big question with a lot of these new technologies is, what's the system design going to be and what's the full safety testing going to be as they get these various batteries and systems developed? Because that's the real equation to how things move into the marketplace. The secondary battery piece and the global market continues to expand, and our other category continues to add new technologies on an ongoing basis. So, we've added zinc air, and we've added nickel zinc, and we've added sodium ion. So, we continue to see more and more technologies come forward. The market continues to just become huge. So, we've seen significant growth in the last few years of both the lithium ion variants, but you can also see the other batteries, the little line at the top, starting to at least have a presence. As we look at the overall battery marketplace, it's being driven by more than just the electric vehicle. The electric vehicle certainly has a lot of the overall growth piece, but you can see the industrial piece and power tools and other areas are continuing to grow and drive overall focus into the marketplace. As I said before, for the lithium-ion battery market, it is dominated by China and Asia, and you can see the top 5 players represent 70% of the overall lithium-ion battery marketplace. That's not going to change anytime soon. We certainly have seen growth in both North America